Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Before attempting any tooth clip, consult a dentist for advice and clearance. A dentist confirms oral health and identifies loose restorations. Use only clips made for temporary cosmetic use and not for chewing. Inspect the clip for smooth edges and no sharp seams before use. Avoid clips if you have cavities, gum disease, or a crown near the targeted tooth. Prioritize safety over convenience to prevent enamel damage or jaw discomfort. Measure your front dental arch to choose the correct clip size. Typical adult front clip length measures about 3-5 cm across the visible teeth. Choose medical-grade resin or thin stainless steel for durability and hygiene. Confirm the product lists upper or lower arch compatibility before purchasing. Avoid one-size-fits-all items for predictable fit and comfort. Proper sizing reduces pressure points and lowers the risk of dislodging fillings or irritating gums. Wash hands and rinse your mouth with water before applying the clip. Seat the clip gently, pressing from front to back until you feel a light snap into place. Avoid forcing the clip over tight restorations or broken teeth to prevent damage. Limit wear to short periods, like 1 to 2 hours, and do not sleep while wearing it. Clean the clip daily with a soft brush and lukewarm water. Do not expose it to hot water above 50 degrees C. Remove immediately if you feel pain or looseness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.